Item Number SCP-6204 Object Class Euclid Special Containment Procedures SCP-6204 is currently contained in Site-24's Croft Wing and is to be fed no less than 3 times daily. SCP-6204 may be artificially inseminated for research purposes with prior approval from Project Director Mark Bolan, and all resulting eggs are to undergo X-ray analysis, depending on the size and threat posed by each SCP-6204-A instance. These may be placed in an incubation chamber and permitted to hatch as normal, or placed in cryonic preservation. All current instances of SCP-6204-A are kept in hangars 10 through 15 and are to be fed according to each species' dietary requirements. See Supplementary Document 6204-B for specifics. SCP-6204-A38 is currently kept in Containment Chamber A32, which has been refurbished with bookshelves, 1 television set, 1 computer with SkipNet access, and specialized furniture according for its non-humanoid physiology. SCP-6204-A38 may leave its containment unit at its leisure, and should be accompanied by no less than 2 members of security staff at all times. Description: SCP-6204 is a mature female emperor penguin recovered from London Zoo in 1997. When inseminated through natural or artificial means, SCP-6204 will produce an egg corresponding to an extinct species of land-based animal, ranging from those which coexisted alongside humans to those not active since the Permian period. These eggs are typically laid and hatched as normal, although some instances may be too large for SCP-6204 to deliver naturally, necessitating removal via surgery. Hatched instances designated SCP-6204-A will behave in a manner consistent with current paleontological understanding, despite significant changes to the Earth's atmosphere and climate over geological timescales. No instances of SCP-6104-A have exhibited any significant adverse effects. Similarly, all instances of SCP-6204-A are capable of digesting most forms of plant and animal matter, and have demonstrated unusual resistance to most modern diseases. The following is an abridged list of recorded instances of SCP-6204-A. Common dodo. Late Quaternary period. Gastronus gigantea. Early Paleogene period. Tyrannosaurus rex. Late Cretaceous period. Placed in cryonic preservation prior to hatching, as Site-24 does not currently have the means of housing and sustaining an adult T-Rex. Pterodactylus antiquus. Late Jurassic period. Request to crossbreed the specimen with SCP-346 for research into pterosaur reproduction is currently pending. Project Director approval. Halomus lele. Note: the earliest known undisputed reptile. Late Carboniferous period. Addendum: on January 26, 2011, SCP-6204 produced an egg measuring some 13.5 centimeters in length and weighing 650 kilograms. X-ray analysis found this instance to contain an embryonic theropod corresponding to no known species, notable for possessing an unusually large cranium. Following a 6-month incubation period, this instance hatched, with the resulting offspring, initially designated SCP-6204-A38, showing an unexpected level of intelligence and self-awareness from an early age. Following approval from Project Director Mark Bolan, the entity was placed under the supervision of senior researchers Walter and Madeline Matchett, whose efforts to familiarize it in language, reasoning, and mathematics exceeded initial expectations, while SCP-6204-A38, known by the given name of Sinclair, is incapable of reproducing human speech patterns. It has demonstrated fluent understanding of English, Spanish, and Mandarin, and is capable of communicating through a specialized form of sign language devised by Foundation linguists. Due to its proficiency in chemistry, geology, and paleobiology, Sinclair has been appointed Class F SCNH, Sapient Communicative Non-Humanoid status, and is currently serving as a junior consultant at the Foundation's Department of Paleontology. No further instances of this species, tentatively designated Sapientosaurus, have since been produced by SCP-6204. No biological remains of Sapientosaurus have as yet been identified. However, the Foundation had since unearthed the fossilized remains of several similar entities in Australia, South America, and Antarctica, dating to approximately 205 million years ago. These specimens were found to have been larger in size than Sapientosaurus, although with reduced cranial capacity, suggesting they may represent one or more ancestral species. In 2018, the Foundation confirmed the presence of non-naturally occurring polymers in the Earth's crust, dating to roughly 201.3 million years before present. Several colorful artifacts have since been discovered on the lunar surface and in interplanetary space, confirming the existence of a technologically sophisticated civilization active during the late Triassic period, presumably corresponding to Sapientosaurus. Notably, this civilization's collapse appears to have been concurrent with the Triassic-Jurassic extinction event, the cause which remains disputed. Suggested causes include extraterrestrial impact, volcanism, and oceanic acidification. Further investigation is ongoing.